Hey everyone, welcome back to dptutorials. In this video, we are going to learn one of the most important fundamentals in project scheduling, how to link and unlink activities in Primavera P6. What are links in Primavera P6? When we say linking activities in Primavera P6, we are referring to creating logical relationships between tasks that define the sequence in which work happens. For example, you might want excavation to be completed before foundation work starts. That's a finish to start relationship. Linking activities help P6 calculate the schedule correctly and show the critical path of your project. Let's start with this example project. Let's say we have a simple construction project with these activities. Currently, these activities are listed but not connected. That means Primavera doesn't know which task comes first. Let's see how you can link them. Go to the Activities tab, select the first activity, Site Clearance, hold down the Control key and also select the next activity, Excavation, then right-click and select Link Activities. Repeat this to build the sequence, Excavation and Foundation work and slab casting and curing. By default, Primavera uses the finish to start relationship, which means the next task starts only when the previous one finishes. Schedule the project. Now go to the Tools menu, click on the Schedule or press F9. Primavera will calculate the start and finish dates based on the relationships and durations. You will see the Gantt chart update to show a project proper timeline. Got it? How to unlink activities in Primavera P6. Let's say you accidentally linked the wrong activities or the sequence has changed. Let us see now how to unlink them. Select the activities you want to unlink. Go to the Relationships tab of the Activity Details. Select the predecessor or successor relationship. Click Remove or to delete it. Easy, right? Quick tip. Linking activities properly is the foundation of creating an accurate project schedule. Try to avoid leaving activities unlinked unless they are truly independent. This ensures that your schedule logic reflects real-world constraints. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also leave a comment below if you want to see tutorials on other Primavera topics. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.